why you cannot join yesterday?
Oh, I joined, but I think I joined late. So it was rolling, allow the host to allow you in for a long time. I think you left before I joined.
Okay, if you don't mind, first I ask you, please tell me about you. What's your name, your country, and occupation?
Okay, Nike. I'm from Nigeria. I'm
Okay.
a I'm a lecturer, and that's about it.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much.
We have someone else here to Omar.
Okay,
Yeah, how are you?
fine.
Welcome.
Welcome. Fine, thank you. How are you?
Thank you too. Oh, connection is not always excellent. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, okay. No problem. Uh,
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Omar, can you tell me your about you, such as your name, country, and occupation, please, if you don't mind.
I'm from Benin Republic, West Africa,
Okay,
but I'm living since 2010. I'm living in South Africa. I'm right now communicating with you from Pretoria. Uh,
okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
thank you too.
Okay, we finished one class about Facebook free marketing. So today we learn how to create job report for Facebook marketing. Okay,
Okay.
I share my screen. Mr. Omar, you have sent our first class, so you can see just right here, Facebook free marketing. Facebook free marketing by Shamsul Azam. Search. Part one. Facebook free marketing. It's not. At first, this is channel. Click here. This is channel. This
Okay.
this is channel. Uh, this video, Mr. Omar, this video. Look, please carefully look. This video.
Yes, yes.
Facebook free marketing in English. Facebook free marketing in English. That's video. We finish next. We finish previous class. Okay. You can
Mhm.
see this only 20 minutes.
Okay.
This video and subscribe this channel. Our every class recorded and publish this channel. Okay. If you know, if you want see again, just search this the channel. Okay, on YouTube.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, at first we logging Google Drive, Drive, then a new. Click on new and Google Sheet. Click on Google Sheet. Click on Google Sheet. Open a blank Google Sheet. Okay. We need a sheet name. At first, we need a sheet name. Put here our sheet name Google. Our sheet name Facebook Marketing Job Report. Facebook Marketing Job Report. Facebook Marketing Job Report. Okay. Facebook Marketing Job Report. I write again here. Date. Today 11 12 11 2021. Okay, this is headline. Then right here Facebook page name. Page or group. Facebook page or group name. Then screenshot link. Screenshot link. And then live link. Live link. This is 3 item. Number 1, Facebook page or group name, screenshot link, and live link. Okay. Okay. We learned our previous class how to create a post. So I again create a post. At first we search our institute niche related Facebook page. So our institute one kinds of online education institute. So we search here online education. Online education. Search online education. At first we search online education and select pages. Okay, then we say this is page, online education page. At first click here online education, This is post. Post, create post. Okay, create post. Click on create post. Copy my description and paste here. Then we need a photo or video. Photo means our banner or flyer. Just click on photo or video. This is flyer. Just click on and open. Okay. Then click on post. This is post. Click on post. This is my post. So we create a job report. Then our need 3 items. Number 1, our page name, screenshot link, and live link. Click on just now. This is just now. Can you see just now? Is it here just now? Okay. Can you see just now?
Depending the screen.
This is just
from my side. I can see it is very tiny, but it's okay.
just now. Click on just now. This link is live link. This is live. This is live link. This link is live link. At first, copy and live link. Paste here. Okay, paste here. Then we need screenshot link. Screenshot link. This area screenshot link. This area. Click on upload button. Click on upload button. This is screenshot link. Just copy and paste here. Okay, paste here. Then we need Facebook page name. Online education. This is Facebook page name. Just copy and paste here. Okay.
Hello?
Then, yes, please.
Can you redo the screenshot link?
Screenshot link. Okay, right question.
Yeah.
Right question. Screenshot link. I saw how to take a screenshot link. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And at first finished this. Then I see you how to take a screenshot link. Okay. Just minute. Wait. Okay. So I saw you only one side post. Then you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There many page post. Every page name put here. Screenshot link put here. Live link put here. Then the job number 10 or 15 or 20 put here. Then this link we provide our hiring manager. Okay, how to give this link hiring manager. This is share button. This is share button. Can you see share button? Share option. This is share option. Can you see share option?
Yes. Yeah, but before we go on, how did you come up with the screenshot link? Can you do it again?
Okay. I saw how to create screenshot link. Just a minute, wait. Finish this sector. Click on share button. Click on change to anyone with the link. Change to anyone with the link. Click on change to anyone with the link. Then a viewer. Click on viewer. Click on viewer. Editor. Editor option. Open the tick mark. Editor option. Okay, editor option. Then copy this link. Okay, copy this link. Okay, this link is our job report. This link is our job report. This link we provide our hiring manager in email or messenger, Facebook messenger, or our telegram messenger, or any way. And the best way, email. Okay, thank you. I finished my class here. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. We
Thank
still
you.
go through it. Thank you.
Thank you.